Welcome to Gemini Power Hydraulics Private Limited.
Following are the steps for Business Pulse module. Pulse feedback comes survey module. By virtue of this model, we can A. Generate a sales feedback survey at any given time. B. Generate a commercial feedback survey at any given time. C. Generate any kind of surveys, both internal and external. To begin entering any of these surveys, you need to log into Pulse, and once you do so, go to the transaction screen. We will begin with the Sales Feedback Survey module. In the transaction screen, click on the Survey Management button. Now select the sales feedback from the drop-down and right-click on the same. Now click on the Get List under the List tab on the screen. This is the list of all SOAs made till date. Click on Select All and all will be selected. Click on Start Sending Sales Feedback Invitation Emails. The system will prompt you and ask you the following. Click Yes. Once the system has sent emails, it will show you this message. Click on OK. Now click on Show History tab and click on Get History button. This will show you the entire list of clients to whom you have sent sales feedback emails so far. Against each entry listed, you can see the survey status, attended or pending. If attended, you can click on the Open button and view the same. When you click on Open button, you will be redirected to the following link and you will be able to view the survey form filled by the customer. Just scroll the left-hand bar to view the entire survey in a single screen. Please do not click on the Finish button at the end, else it will log in a new survey on the system. After you finish reading the response, close the view window. Now, once you have all feedback received and have read the same, you need to check the reports. Click on Create Survey tab. The screen that will open in Internet Explorer will be as follows. Go to Survey Response Status. Now select the survey by clicking on Select Survey drop button and click on Get Report. You can work with filters against each column to view or do a drag and drop to make groups of all responses on various column headers. In order to view the list of contacts who change their details, you can click on Contact Details Changed List and select the required survey and click on Get List to get the list. In order to view the question-wise percentage report of any survey, click on Q-wise percentage tab and select the required survey and click on Get List. This can be exported to Excel and further analysis can be done on the same. Now we move to next tab on Q-wise percentage. If you click on the fair, a new tab will open which will show you who were the people who rated Gemini fair for this question. Click on the X button to close this tab after you finish viewing and go back to the main screen. Click on. The screen that will open will be as below. Fill in all details in the respective text box and click on Create Survey. say A, and click on Add Section. Choose the section level defaults by clicking here. Then type the question in question title column and select reply type. Then choose whether the question is mandatory or not. If it is just a comment box or free text question, do not click on comments checkbox and then click on add question. If you choose single or multiple choice, then you need to add answer option to the questions you typed. When you type the answer here and click on add option, the option is added and you can repeat the procedure to add the other choice answers to this question. Now repeat the procedure to add another question to this section. You can edit or delete the question you made by clicking on Edit Delete button. In case you want to add another section, click on Add Section. When you select question that is a comment, do not add any option. After you finish the entire survey creation, click on Submit Survey. Now, once again click on Survey Management tab and you can see that your survey appears in the survey list. Add Click Save and go back to the Survey Management home screen. Now, before you begin with the process of sending your survey, do remember to activate your survey by clicking on. You can also view the survey you made by clicking here. Once we are done with this, we go back to our Pulse screen. Now we click on Others here. The screen that appears is click on Select Contact Database. If internal contacts, select the same and click on Get List. Then select the survey and click on Send Invitation button to send the survey. In case the database to whom we want to send the survey does not exist in Pulse, what do? Open a blank Excel file and enter the database with the header. You can also enter any number of columns you have information about. Now, rename Sheet 1 as Contact SDB. Remember, this is very important. Hence, do not miss this. Once you finish renaming the sheet, save the file on your desktop or hard disk and close it. You can give any file name of your choice. There is no restriction on this. Now go back to Pulse screen, Other Feedback. Click on Upload Additional Contact Lists. Click on Select File and browse and search for the file you saved. Now go back to the List tab and select Secondary Contacts. Now go back on the List tab and select Secondary Contacts to select your uploaded file and click on Get List. Then select the survey from Select Survey drop-down and click on Send Invitation to send mails. The remaining process remains same as for all other surveys.